Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Kabir Considers. In this video, I'm going to react to the most shocking low flybys by jet fighters. Now, I love this sort of stuff, just seeing these planes go at like 700, 1,000 miles an hour, whatever it is, these super high speeds, and come down low so that we can see them. It's just fantastic. It's a marvel of engineering. The fact that we can get, aircraft which aren't light. We're talking these things weigh multiple tons to be able to move that quick. So yeah, I know for a fact I'm going to enjoy watching this video. So let's do it. Amazing tube. Oh my God. That was very close. That dude has planetary sized testicles. Big balls. Oh my God. This is insane. Look at that. It's like Look at all the stuff flying around. That is hilarious. Is that it? Is that it coming from the left? Oh no. Oh. Coming from straight ahead, 12 o'clock. I mean, is it really? Because I'm sure some drivers are going to look at the plane rather than keeping their eyes on the wheel. Eyes on the road, I mean. Wow, these things are so low down.
He's fucking low. Oh, damn.
That thing was gunning it. Oh, look at that. Did you hear the sound come after the plane? So did that mean that that plane was going beyond the sound barrier? I mean the speed of sound? Oh, I love that. Love that. Extremely cool.
Don't say that. Scare me.
You want to be scared, Trev?
Where's
Shit,
it?
you want to be scared.
Where's it
Stop
coming
that.
from?
Fuck me.
Where's it coming from?
Fucking hell.
Oh, mate! I don't blame him for ducking. I don't blame him one bit. Wow, look at this one. Ooh. I mean, if you're an enemy and you see that coming towards you, that one broke the sound barrier, the one before this one. AC/DC. Let's crank it up a bit. Ooh, I like the look of that plane. What was that? Looked like a Russian one, I think. I wonder, like, are there any, you know, dangers of them coming down this low? Because I suppose the lower you are, the higher chance you're going to crash into something. Yeah, I reckon they're probably not allowed to do it too much. Because obviously there's nothing in the sky that you're going to run into, aside from another plane. Oh, that was a close angle. Love it. Ooh. Dude, the propellers looked very close to that. That one was class. This is Daft Punk, I think. I bet those pilots are having the time of their life. I wonder, can you pay to go in like a fighter jet, like, and just ride along with the pilot? Because I would pay for that, honestly. Oh, crazy close. Guy's covering his. Oh, there's another one. There's two. It's hilarious because I like when you compare the speed that the plane was traveling versus the car. Big difference, huge difference.
انا ابوه وش ذا يا رجل؟ ابي خط على خط.
Man, oh my god, oh my god.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Mad. So if your plane can do 1,000 miles an hour, that means in a minute it's doing what's that? 40? No, it's about 20 miles per minute. Something like that. 20 miles a minute top speed. Or just under 20 miles. I think it's like 15 miles a minute. Damn! Damn! It tore up the trees. There's another one. There's two. That was a big one. That didn't quite look like a fighter jet. What is that? Ooh. Did he you know, abort the launch? I mean, not the landing. I wonder why. Why did he do that? Traveling too quickly?
Subsonic, just below the speed of sound, they're up there.
That's my favorite so far, just to see that cloud shrooming behind it. So quick, crazy quick. Is that what is that? Is that the sound barrier, or is that just a vapor, like a vapor sort of trail? That's a cool looking plane. Very cool. It just never gets old. No matter how many times I see it, it never gets old. I think that was an F-22, wasn't it? This one's landing. Oh my gosh. So close. The people that can stand super close and take video footage, I take my hat off to you, because I'd love to think I could do it, but I might chicken out last minute. Oh. Loved it, loved it, loved it. It's just incredible seeing the speed that these planes have. You know, the power, just when they, like, I've seen one like from a distance, but I've never had one pass by quite low before. And I can just imagine the wind that gusts off you, you know, from the plane must just feel so surreal. I need to get to somewhere that, you know, I can see these planes, like an air show. I need to get to one this summer for sure. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.